on and let's bring on board our technical guest then. We have Nirav Chheda joining us on the show right now. A very good afternoon to you, Nirav. Thank you so much for joining us on ET Now. And let's talk about your first stock, Deepak Nitrite. How is this one looking on the charts to you?
Yeah. Hi everyone, and thanks for having me again. Deepak Nitrite, if you look at this stock, in the last 1 year or so, it's not done anything, and I believe, this stock is likely to move up quite further. It can move, go up towards the 2500 odd level. There's a breakout that has come in at 2120 odd, and a rounding formation is taking shape. So that's a positive sign. It's a very strong formation. So look to buy the stock at current levels. 2150 should be your stop loss, and around 2500 to 2550 should be your target.
But Nirav, on the charts, how is this counter looking like to you? Do you see further scope of upside for this one, or do you should one wait on the fence?
Oh, I definitely see a reasonable upside. This stock, after a huge move, cooled off for quite some time, but now it is making a rounding kind of formation. I find this formation very, very strong because, in the interim, when the formation is, taking shape, the stock moves slowly and steadily on the upside, and you won't see a very big upside, for a longest time. But then once that breakout comes in, you see, a very big run up, and, in this stock as well, I've seen good volumes going in. Consolidation breakout along with this rounding formation breakout, so it can be a very good upside for this particular stock. One should look to add this stock at current levels. Your stop loss should be around 550 for your long. There is a good chance of this stock hitting 700, 750 levels in the next couple of weeks.
Okay, let's move on to the Blue Dart. And Nirav, Blue Dart, you see this one soaring even higher from these levels?
Oh yes, definitely. So if you remember, I had this recommendation even last week when it was 6400 odd. I'm just continuing with it. I believe this stock is going to move up further, and it is going to go up towards that target of around 8000 odd. Look to buy at current levels. It's a super formation, still maintain the higher top, higher bottom formation. And for today, a consolidation breakout has come in about the 6600 levels. So it's a strong formation. Look to buy here and on some dips. Your stop loss would be 6800, and your possible target would be around 8000.
All right, let's shift focus then and let's talk.
Nirav, this one has been a clear underperformer when you look at it in the last year, last 6 months. Nothing exciting that has come in over there from this one. What are the charts now indicating for this one? For the more consolidation, or now is it the right time to enter and we could start seeing that up move?
Yeah, so this is the first time, I'm recommending it in the last 1 year. I believe this stock has made its long-term low, which was around this 70, 75 odd levels. Very good volumes have gone into the stock at those levels. It's a base formation that the stock is making, and I believe a breakout has come in on the longer-term charts. I believe this stock can now become, one of the top gainers in the next 3-4 months. It should run up now from current levels. Look to buy the stock at current levels, and if you get some dip up to 75, so that would be a great buy. Keep a stop loss of 70 and ride the trend. It should come to 120 first, which is your first target, and probably it can double up to 160 odd in the next 3 to 4 months. So it has a very good potential from current levels.
Nirav, this one seems like, in the last 1 week, 17-18% gains. What is the indication on the charts for this one? What are they indicating now in terms of target price?
So, coincidentally, for this week, most of my stocks have seen a good rounding formation. This stock also, after making a high of 120, there was a drastic fall. In about 7-8 weeks, this stock fell from 120 or to about 60, and it has been consolidating post that for quite some time. I believe this stock has witnessed a breakout now above the consolidation zone, above that 70 odd level. And now, it is moving up. It will again retrace towards 110, 120, which is the all-time high. The 52-week highs for this particular stock. It should go there. So look to buy the stock at current levels. It's a good potential stock. You can keep a stop loss at 70, and the first target should come in at around 100, and the next one at 120.
Okay, keep an eye.
All right, moving on, Nirav, let's talk about CMS. And how are the charts looking for this particular counter? Off late, there's a lot of activity that's been taking place on this particular stock. What's your take on the charts?
See, this stock was, consolidating, but now, after that block deal, this stock has shot up quite a lot. Very importantly, 340 was a resistance area. Multi-week resistance which has been broken, and now this stock has gone into a new range. So very likely this stock will come up towards the 390, 400 odd level. Look to buy the stock at current levels, and on dips up to 340 odd. Your stop loss would be 330, and 400 is where you look to book profits.
Right, let's shift focus then. Let's talk
Tex Macro Rail, that's the one that you're going to talk to us about. 91% returns in the last 1 year. How much more upside is left for this one? Is it still a good buy?
Oh, definitely. See, this counter had gone to about 13, 14 odd levels in 2020, and post that, it's already at 74. I believe it's going up steadily, and it should continue to move up steadily, at least up till the levels from which it started to fall, which was around that 110, 115 odd levels. Also, two things here very importantly, it has continued to maintain a higher top, higher bottom formation, and the volumes. So there is a volume which is below that 2020 period, and then post the 2020 period, the volumes have just tripled post 2020. So I believe that is a very good sign. That's a sign of people buying, smart people buying, and continue to buying. This stock should be bought at current levels. A good consolidation breakout has come in at 65 a couple of days back for this stock, and the stock is headed towards that 100, 110 odd level. So look to buy for that target from current levels, and on dips with a stop loss of around 65.
Alright, so that's the take coming in on Tex Macro Rail, and with that we come to the end of all the stocks that are buzzing on Market Fatafat. With that, thank you so much Nirav, Sumit, as well as Harsh and Lisa for taking our viewers through all the stocks that are buzzing in trade. And it's a goodbye from Winnie and myself and the team that put the show together. 1 hour of trading left, and we are still eyeing the record high for Nifty.